Have you ever wondered about the rags to riches story? So the story shows that the American dream is still alive and well, and that it is possible to be able to get a degree with a little hard work and a little determination. Today I would like to share the story of one man, Dr. Alfredo Quinones Hinojosa, who was born in Mexicali, Mexico, and how he went from living in poverty in Mexico to being one of the most world-renowned top neurosurgeons at Johns Hopkins Hospital in Baltimore, Maryland. Today I will share with you three transitions of this man's life, where he came from, how he came to America and got enrolled in school, and how he went from being enrolled in school to Harvard to eventually being one of Johns Hopkins Hospital's top neurosurgeons in Baltimore, Maryland. First, let's start by examining where Dr. Alfredo Quinones Hinojosa came from and how he got from there over to America to attend school. Dr. Q, as his patients like to call him, came from Mexicali, Mexico. When he was about 5 years old, he helped his parents at the gas station where his dad worked. After that, when he was about 19, he jumped the fence to come from Mexicali over to San Francisco, California. Fresno, California. And he found work doing odd jobs there, such as painting, welding, and picking cotton. He lived in a trailer while he was in Fresno on the farm with his cousin, and he moved to a one-room apartment with his family. Next, I will talk about how he got from the farm to college so that he could start pursuing his lifelong dream, which was being a neurosurgeon at Johns Hopkins Hospital. When he was working in the fields, he went to school and he learned English while he was in school. He tutored other Spanish-speaking students in math and science. He was on the debate team so that he could hone his English-speaking skills. And he also worked for a railroad company while he was in college or school. Dr. Q, 2013. Now that I've shown you where he came from and how he got enrolled in school, I'm going to show you how he went from there to Harvard and ultimately leading to Johns Hopkins Hospital, being one of the world's most renowned top neurosurgeons in the field. In '92, he quit his job for the railroad and he got a scholarship for the University of Berkeley, California, where he majored in psychology. While he was in the university, he excelled in such classes as physics, chemistry, and calculus. These grades that he received in these classes helped him keep his grade point average up so that he could stay enrolled in college. In the neurobiology lab, he met one person who would become his mentor, Joe Martinez. Dr. Q worked on a thesis in neuroscience, and his thesis received high honors, and Joe encouraged him to then, after he wrote his thesis, apply to Harvard Medical School. When he applied to Harvard, they accepted his application, and he met Ed Kravitz, who was a neurobiologist. While he was at Harvard, he became an American citizen, and he graduated from there with honors. He gave the commencement speech in his class of 1999, where, because he got honors at Harvard, and after Harvard, he, over the next 6 years, he became an intern and a resident of the university. He also did some postdoctorate work, and he went to Johns Hopkins Hospital as a professor and neurosurgeon in 2005. And his specialty while he was there was brain cancer and pituitary tumors. And he received some awards while he was there. The awards he received was the Faculty Teaching Award in 2007, the Career Development Award in 2006, and the Franklin Martin Faculty Research Award in 2006. And all these come from Alfred Quinones Hinojosa 2012. Now that I've shared with you how he became a top neurosurgeon at Harvard, at Johns Hopkins Hospital, I would like to recap what we learned. Today, I shared with you 3 transitions in this man's life, where he came from, how he came to America and became a student, started enrolling in school, and how he went from just being a student to going to Harvard to working at Johns Hopkins Hospital. This man's life shows how any of us can live the American dream, and with a little hard work and determination, we can all pursue our goals and get an education and be able to get to where we need to go and where we want to go in life. We should all use this man's example to motivate us to work hard in school, to never give up, and to always pursue our dreams no matter how impossible it may seem.